Hello everyone, today we will show you the lamp's brightness, the illumination range at different height. We will use these buildings to simulate the height and then use the instrument to test the illumination. Now we put the particular measuring instrument under the light and let the instrument measuring the illuminance of the lights at this height.
Okay, you can see now that the illumination of the color light is 100 lux. In addition to high brightness, this lamp can also adjust the illumination range of the light by adjusting the angle of the lamp head.
This light is designed to adapt to scenes such as highways, which needs to install a higher height to prevent the light from being blown and deformed by strong winds at high altitude. We use aluminum alloy for the shaft, which is the foam.